Hey guys, so it's Crafts by Jazzy, and I wanted to do a little quick review on this Dollar Tree, what is it called? Clay mask thing. They have a bunch of different versions. And so this is by Freeman, and basically it's an anti-stressing, because we all got stress in our life. And it's supposed to have Dead Sea minerals. I'm almost messing with my eye. And basically, we're gonna try it and see what happens. So you can get it at Dollar Tree. I can't say every Dollar Tree has it, because you guys know if you go to Dollar Tree, it's a win-win, lose-lose sometimes. So let's see what happens. All right, guys, so I put a little bit on my hand. That's what it comes out like. So I'm just gonna apply it to my face. I wouldn't say put it on your eyebrows. I mean, if you want to, I guess. All right, guys, so that little bit that was on my fingers is what I used so far. I've just been trying to blend it in. I may use just a tad bit more, but you really don't need a lot. So in the camera, it kind of looks like I don't have any here, but I do. But I think I'm just going to add a little bit more. All right, guys, so I just put a little bit more. So we're just going to, like, war paint. That's what it feels like. Careful not to get it in your guys' eye. Feeling wise, I would say it does, when you first put it on, kind of feel burning sensation, but I never had a reaction to it. So I mean, if yours is really burning, I guess wash it off. But it kind of goes away after a little while. But then it gets kind of like a burning cool sensation. So there is a lot right here. I'm going to let this dry and show y'all the results. So I'm over here cracking up, you guys, because I can't move my face. My son's looking at me all weird. It definitely tightens your face. It feels so weird. Like, I feel like I can't make any emojis. Alright guys, so I am washing this all off. As you can see, it's really thick because it's a clay. I would suggest the next time I do it, I will be using probably a washcloth. So stay tuned. So it made my skin a little soft, unlike some things that you put on your face. And the tightness still is kind of there, which is weird. So, go try it.
Hey y'all, it's Crafts by Jazzy. Thanks for watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned to see more of my DIYs, shopping sprees, and more.